The other day we talked about clenching of toes and that we should not be doing that. Today I would like to be able to talk about how to properly lengthen our toes. One of the ways that I ask my dancers to do this is to have our knee over our ankle so it's a nice straight line and our foot flat on the floor. I encourage that you hold the other toes down unless you're fully confident that they're actually going to stay on the floor. But our toes should be lengthened out away from our foot. And I want you to gently try to stretch each of the toes. This should not be a wrench backwards. It's just a light little stretch just to engage the muscles. And this works all of the little supporting muscles across your foot. So I want you to try it holding for about 8 counts or so just to get started. We change up the variation when we're in class. But if you lengthen it up, hold for about 8 counts, move on to the next toe, and really get a good feel of all those supporting muscles in your foot and keeping your toes straight. As you lift, you want to be really careful not to let it knuckle over or grab so far on the foot that you're just wrenching back on it. It should be a nice light lengthen, again, just to engage the muscles. To give you a different view on that, it's just a straight up lift. Again, working your way all the way across your foot. Another thing that we'll do to help strengthen those muscles is to do toe lifts and try to isolate each toe at a time. And again, this helps find each of the individual muscles in your foot and get them to all kind of start thinking about moving. So start with any one of your toes and make sure you do all of them. And if you need to, you can hold them down and try to get them to move. I usually suggest start with a set of 8. So try to move it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and work your way across your foot. To give you a side view, again, it would be Thank you for watching, and I will see you soon.